Hello, welcome to Crowded Lab channel. Today I will do LiveChatAI review and demo. This is AI chatbot which just became available on Appsumo. Let's briefly look at the features it has. It has integrations with REST API, but I believe you should be able to integrate it into your website as a widget. We'll check that. You can switch between GPT 3.5 Turbo and GPT-4. You can set up rules for chatbot to human handoff. Of course, you can train your chatbot by provided URLs. Very nice feature is that this chatbot can answer in many languages. They claim they support 95, so you can train your bot in English and set up it to respond in Spanish, for example. Moving to pricing plans, they have 3, single, double, multiple. For the first one, you have one user, 2,000 messages per month limitation. You have 10 chatbots and 5 million total characters as data import. It can be a bit misleading, so let's see what it means. I have copied the contents of one blog post, how to choose the best domain name. It is roughly 3,500 words and roughly 20,000 characters. So 5 million characters divided by 20,000, it means roughly you can import with single plan 250 articles. And with other plans, you have your limits increased. Okay, let's jump right into the demo. This is the dashboard you can see right after you sign up with LiveChatAI. They ask you to provide the source of data for your chatbot. You can provide URL or submit a sitemap. Let's provide this URL, nameketchup.com, save and get all my links. That was pretty quick. I think about 20 seconds. We can see a number of characters, we can see blog posts, and let's import the content and create my AI bot. You have the option to enable human support live chat. I believe if user is not satisfied with answers of AI bot, you can redirect a particular user to a human representative. Let's create my bot. Here it is, our chatbot. And before testing it, let's explore settings. Here we can see the name. We can see the base prompt. With this prompt setting, you can tell chatbot not to imagine things and provide answers only based on provided context. You can switch between GPT 3.5 Turbo and GPT-4. However, GPT-4 will cost you 20 credits instead of 1 for GPT 3.5 Turbo. You can adjust temperature. You can also see this setting as creativity. So let's leave it as is, 0.1. We can enable human live chat settings. Let's see how it will work. Nice feature to have is that you have third-party human handoff integrations. So let's say in 10 messages, the user is not getting the answer, then you can redirect that user to Intercom or WhatsApp, LAN, Facebook Messenger, or send SMS or Telegram. So again, very nice feature to have. You can collect user email, let's say after 4 messages, I believe the bot will ask for email, and you can protect your bot to set some limits. Let's say every 60 seconds, chatbot can respond only to 20 messages. So you can protect your credits. Let's save. Moving to customize. Here you can define some options for Messenger widget and change settings for full page chat. You can change some branding settings. I believe you can upload your logo, and you can configure initial and suggested messages. And we'll take a look at embed and share, chat inbox, and manage data sources a bit later after we test the bot. So let's start. Hi. And first, let's test if the bot will answer only about context, which was loaded into it. This information was not loaded to this bot. Okay, I see it still generated some answer which was not expected. It generated it based on some general GPT knowledge. Let's try and customize base prompt. Let's try to add this line. If you don't know the answer, don't imagine it. Save. Let's try one more time. Again, it provided the answer, though it was expected to give different one, like I don't have this information in my context. I believe creators of this chatbot can help you to fine-tune this base prompt so you will not have that problem. But anyway, let's proceed and test bot on data which was loaded into it. Let's ask some information about this review of network solutions and specifically what kind of WordPress options it provides, like so. I see that it provided correct answer. They offer the WordPress for Entrepreneurs plan, Deluxe plan, and Ultimate, and that matches the content from the article. Let's ask the follow-up question. What is the cost of WordPress plans with network solutions? I see it was correct. $7.99, $13.98, $18.98. Yep, that's correct. Let's also ask about SSL certificate with web.com, like so. Is SSL certificate free with web.com? And here, unfortunately, it was not able to provide the answer, but I see that the data was loaded. Let's ask more specific question. Is SSL certificate free with base plan of web.com? Now the answer is correct, that SSL certificate is not free with base plan, but it is included with Plus and Premium, and this matches the content. Alright, let's move to other settings. Embed and share. With LiveChatAI, you have three options of integrating it. The first one is to integrate it as a widget, like so. Second one, there will be a full page. And with the third one, you can place your widget anywhere on the screen of your website. Let's check the first one. To give you an idea how it will look like, this is the nameketchup.com, where you can check domain name and username availability. And here is LiveChatAI widget. And you can ask the same questions as we did before. Like so. Okay, let's continue. Let's take a look at chat inbox. Here we can see the history. That's nice to have. Moving next, manage data sources. We can see imported and trained web pages. We can add custom text, a very nice feature to have. And we can upload PDFs. One more interesting feature is Q&A. You can add your own questions and answers, and you have an option to generate with AI. Okay, moving to the conclusion. In general, it was easy to use this bot. The training was very straightforward. You have ability to modify the base prompt. However, in my case, it still provided answer out of the context, but that was not a problem because in general, for the content which was loaded into LiveChatAI, it was providing the right answers with some misses, but mostly correct answers. So if you would like to try this tool, please check the link in the description. Please also give this video a like and subscribe for more similar videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.